Alrighty guys, what is going up? I hope you guys are all having a great and amazing day today. Now in today's episode, we're going to be talking about why I do not use or recommend Acorns to invest my money. So I hope you guys enjoy it, and if you guys get anything in value, make sure you guys smash the like button and subscribe to the channel. It really helps me out, so make sure you guys smash the like button. And if you guys want to learn more about investing in the stock market, I do have a little course down below. We talk about how to use fundamental analysis, technical analysis, how to find undervalued stocks, scanning, retirement taxes. We talk about it all. First link down below, at least check it out. So now to jump into it, roll the intro guys, let's go. Bam. Now, for those of you that don't know what Acorns is an investing platform that is really designed to help beginners invest in the stock market. They do have 3 main accounts, and we're going to be breaking down all the fees that they're going to be charged, and is there better opportunity somewhere else. Now, the very first account they do have is just a standard broker's account. This one starts out at $1 per month, and the thing about this is they manage all of your money for you with all the accounts. So really, you just give them money, they put it in select ETFs or bonds that meet your criteria. So you tell them what type of investor you are and your risk tolerance. If you are a very aggressive investor, you're gonna have a different portfolio than a very conservative investor. And they do make that kind of interesting and kind of cool where you don't have to worry about your money and they handle all of that for you, but you kind of pay for it, so I don't know. Now the second account that they have is called an Acorns personal account. So what this gives you is they give you a traditional broker's account, very similar to the first one, and then they give you a traditional IRA account. So that is that retirement account where you can invest and you can't take it out till you're like 55. And then they do have a checkings account with this. So this is really designed to help streamline all your investments, and you can link it with your employer and get like direct deposit and siphon off different portions for different investments. So I do think that's kind of cool. And with all these accounts, they do have the Acorns Money Found. So if you guys shop at like Disney Plus, you can get like 10 bucks for your investments. And then the next one they do have is an Acorns family account. This one starts out at $5 per month, so it is kind of expensive, but this one has everything I just talked about plus an Acorns trust account. So an Acorns trust account is like an Acorns child account. So if you are saving for like a college tuition or something like that, you can put it in that account, have it grow in investments, so it's not just sitting in a savings account, and you can make some money in that way. Now the thing about this is from the outside it looks really nice. You have all different accounts and it's very affordable. But there is better opportunity somewhere else. Let's compare this to M1 Finance. M1 Finance has everything I just talked about. They have a standard broker's account, they have a checkings account, a trust account, IRA account, Roth IRA account, a 401k account, and a ton of other ones. So I do think that is kind of cool that they have more accounts, but what's M1's finance fees? You know, do they charge any? No, they don't. They don't charge anything. That's why I love them so much. The only requirement that they have is for a traditional account, you have to have $100 in. And for any investor, $100 you can scrape by in a couple of months. You can save 20 bucks a week, you know, for 5 weeks, and you can hit that minimum threshold. And another thing that I love about M1 Finance is you pick your investments. They do have different portfolios, so if you're somebody who's an aggressive investor, they have a portfolio for you, and that's what you pay for with Acorns, but here you get it for free. And you can put different investments into individual stocks. So if you are a believer in Amazon, you can invest 1% of your money in Amazon. I think that's cool too, because on Acorns you're just stuck with a traditional ETFs, bonds, and you know, it's kind of boring. So for the IRA account, it is a little more expensive. For the minimum threshold, it is $500. So if you guys can save, you know, 100 bucks a month for 5 months, you can hit it. But I do think it's amazing that they have free portfolios, they have individual stocks, and I just think it's better. Now, if you guys are investing in Acorns and you just don't want to worry about it, and you don't want to change your broker or anything like that, dude, I understand. But hear me out. If you take that $5 that Acorns charges as a fee and invest it into the S&P 500 for 40 years, that on average gets around a 10% return, and you're gonna reinvest all of your dividends to compound your money, guess what? By the age of retirement for 40 years, you would have $29,000. And that is an ungodly amount of money that Acorns is going to be taking as fees. So that's what I want you guys to understand, is when you are stuck with a broker, there could be better opportunity somewhere else. And if you're just like, I don't want to do the $5 one, I only want to do the $3 one. Listen to this, same thing. 40 years, 10% return, $36 per year, because $3 a month, you would get around $17,000 if you would have changed your broker. Now let's go to the first one. So this one, for the $1 extra per month that you're setting aside, or $12 per year, for 40 years with a 10% return, you would have an extra $5,800. So the biggest thing here, guys, I want you guys to understand is when you're stuck with a broker, there could be better opportunities somewhere else. And honestly, that is why I don't use Acorns. And if you're still stuck in your roots, staying with Acorns, that's fine, but I want you guys to at least invest over $100 per month using Acorns. Because if you're just investing $100 per month, you're instantly down 3%, because they're gonna be taking $3 or maybe even 5%. So the biggest thing, guys, is make sure you're at least making it worth it, and you're investing maybe $500 or $600 a month, which may be a little more than you would like, but that's why I would recommend changing your broker, guys. So that is it, though. I hope you guys enjoyed the episode, and if you guys got anything in value, make sure you guys smash the like button. And obviously, I'm not gonna get paid by making this video by Acorns or M1 Finance. So we'll see you guys tomorrow in another episode. Remember to stay happy, stay positive, and stay safe out there. We'll see you tomorrow. Take care. Bam.